Citizen science on the schoolyard. These pupils at Ysgol Gymraeg Caerffili are gathering samples for testing as part of a new programme to highlight microplastic pollution across Wales.
First of all, we're trying to inspire children in science, in STEM, and the microplastic projects are to give them positive things that they can do to influence the society that they're going to grow up in.
As their name suggests, microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic, predominantly found in the ocean. But today's session is about learning of their presence in other places too.
Not just the animals in the sea, but affecting our health as well. We have to do something. And my mission, if you like, is to reduce single-use plastics. Our role is to educate and to inspire them and to turn empathy into action.
The Welsh Government has already banned single-use plastic, amongst other measures, to curb plastic pollution. But Friends of the Earth Cymru is urging them to do more.
What we'd like to see is greater awareness of microplastics and also greater action by Welsh Government. We'd like Welsh Government to bring together a panel of experts to look at this issue and explore some of the solutions we can do here in Wales.
The sessions here have been all about identifying microplastics and showing just how present they are in the environment and the world around us. So what have the children here in Caerphilly learnt today?
I've learned that there's plastic everywhere, even where you'd least suspect it.
I was like, oh my god, wow. How is there so much?
When we got our samples, I actually thought there wouldn't be that much microplastics. I think today has definitely made us want to recycle more and help the planet even more.
An attitude shared by many here after a day of seeing science up close. Sean Jenkins, ITV News, Caerphilly.